Like pretty much anything with the word tactical in the name, tactical jackets are based on military jackets. Additionally, there are tactical jackets and accessories available to meet the needs of tactical professionals as well. These jackets look cool and are loaded with additional functionalities to enhance your experience with any tactical or challenging job where any of the basic jackets will fail. And therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 cool tactical jackets based on their safety, durability, comfort, along with other features and functionalities. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Proven for extreme durability and exceptional design, the Leaf Alpha Jacket Gen 2 is worn by the full spectrum of combat or law enforcement forces during all weather operations. Constructed from exceptional durable, Gore-Tex LNF 3-layer 30D nylon plain weave fabric, this military fit jacket is waterproof, windproof, breathable, and lightweight so that it'll not weigh you down. Additionally, it has got dual chest pockets along with 2 internal stretch zip pockets, and it has hemlock removable foam inserts that prevent jacket hems from riding up on harnesses and hip belts. Also, its Mat 5 Vision watertight center zipper with back flap stops the water, and the storm hood blocks drafts, protects the neck, and fits over the helmet. The Arc'teryx Leaf Alpha Jacket LT Gen 2 is a battlefield tough tactical jacket with capabilities and features that are sure to protect you from any injuries. Introducing the next level of performance and style, SABRE Jacket 2.0, the upgraded version of 511's most popular concealed carry jacket, offers a wealth of tactical features. Its 100% polyester softshell, a mesh and nylon lining, a patented 511 quick slip system, and a sim-sealed membrane provide star performance during critical tactical activities. Besides, it comes with utility pockets on the shoulders, 3 zip-out ID panels, integrated storm cuffs, and YKK zippers for added ease during work. Its hood can also be rolled up inside a vertical zip for added convenience, and it's entirely detachable and waterproof for added protection. All in all, the 511 SABRE Jacket 2.0 is a high-performing tactical jacket that is highly popular for its comfort appearance, maximum utility, along with wind and water-repellent features. Designed to provide comfort and support 24/7, the Tru-Spec 24/7 series tactical softshell jacket is a well-constructed tactical jacket that can be used for any tactical mission. Its outer shell is made of 100% polyester with a durable, water-resistant coating that's also windproof, and the lining is made of fleece, which will keep you in relief. Besides, it's got 2 waist pockets with hidden zippers, with waterproof closers, 2 angled pockets on sleeves for easy access, and hook and loop cuffs for a secure fit. Also, the lightweight jacket has room for using ballistic vests along with zippers at the sides for easy access to the duty belt or the internal torso. The Tru-Spec 24/7 series tactical softshell jacket is an ideal apparel that is built for all-day comfort both on duty and off duty. Offering a 3-layer structure for warmth, the ROTHCO Spatial Ops Tactical Softshell Jacket deflects wind, maintains your body temperature, and wicks away moisture during tactical tasks. It features a waterproof polyester outer shell, fleece lining, drawstring waist, hook and loop wrist cuffs for your supreme safety, along with vast functionalities. Besides, it features a zippered shoulder pocket and 2 internal pockets, a high-rise /chest pocket with internal D-rings, and a double zipper back pocket to carry your tactical gears. Additionally, it has got a durable hood concealed in the fleece-lined stand-up collar and can be detached from the jacket entirely. The ROTHCO Spatial Ops Tactical Softshell Jacket provides all the added benefits of adapting to any weather and is convenient in most temperatures. With the optimum level of performance and standing above the rest of the competition, the Condor Summit Softshell is designed to provide a full range of durability, utility, and warmth without overheating. The 3-layer integrated shell consists of a water-resistant 100% polyester fabric that wicks away moisture while maintaining body heat, and a fleece-lined collar along with a breathable film membrane for comfort. Storage is not an issue for this jacket as it offers 2 upper arm pockets, 2 internal pockets, 2 high-rise chest pockets along with a forearm, and a double zipper back pocket so that you don't miss any of your gear. Additionally, it's equipped with a stowaway hoodie and a full front YKK zipper with dual sliders for extra safety while doing tactical activities. The Condor Summit Softshell Jacket is a finely crafted piece of engineering that will allow you to get a comfortable and versatile outwear experience for colder weather. So that was all about the 5 cool tactical jackets just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.